In the Coca-Cola Company, COEs, or Centers of Operational Excellence, have been an opportunity for us to innovate in the area of planning and our execution in the supply chain. Before this, in the planning area, we've been completely disintegrated, and this was our chance to really bring into being the idea of integrated planning. So that means pulling together all the different components of planning into one organization, putting in place the right processes, the tools that support those, the metrics, and so on. And we put those into, for example, 5 countries around the world. China, Philippines, India, Germany, and Brazil became our key COEs. And secondly, we also use COE to help with our execution side. So maybe not just to innovate, but to standardize. So in the areas of manufacturing and logistics and procurement, where we had already good processes, but we wanted to ensure that they were standardized and templated. And finally, we use it for an education platform. So we bring other bottlers from different countries to these COEs, or we bring other regions of the same bottler. For example, in Germany, a very large country, we have 7 different regions, and we bring the other people in, train them on the standards, and then they go out and actually implement what we call an SOE, a satellite of operational excellence. And that's how we are expanding all of our improvements in planning and execution across the whole company. And so to add on to that, I would say that COE has also given us the chance to really understand that we can't just focus on one functional area. It's been extremely important for us to do in these COEs all the functions at the same time. And that was a radical change. So why was that so important? That means that we're really trying to align across all these different functions that are typically pretty siloed. If you allow them to have their own metrics and their own way of doing things, everybody's sub-optimizing. So what we have done is say, no, we're going to put them all together, build a tree of metrics that drives everybody in the same direction. So it's been a big transformation, not only for the execution people, but for our leaders, for them to understand that if we really want to have effective and efficient operations and meet our goals, we have to have everybody driving in the same direction. So COEs have been a real chance for us to get that in from the top level all the way down to the floor level. We're going to try to bring in tools like E2Open to help us have a platform for alignment across not only one enterprise, so within one bottling operation, connecting all the different functions, but across all of our various partners within the Coca-Cola system. We have many different bottlers, we have joint ventures, we've got the business unit, and we've got our concentrate company that have historically been all on their own. Now we want to use these tools to actually connect them all, create a collaborative platform, and ensure we have complete alignment up and down the whole stream.